This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Clark. 55-plus community well-maintained Lighthouse Villa Condo with a finished basement. This 2-bedroom, 3rd non-conforming bedroom and basement, 3-bath condo has it all. 0-step entry into the main level, wheelchair-accessible ramp from garage into the home. All appliances stay, not warranted, including washer and dryer, main floor laundry. Main level living room has a beautiful electric fireplace with backlighting and a deck to enjoy during the warmer summer months. The basement has been finished with egress window, gas fireplace with backlighting, non-conforming 3rd bedroom, a large cedar closet, full bath and tons of storage. Condo is wired for Primar security system. Water heater and sub pump new in 2020. For more